we'll show you a quick way of converting a temperature from one scale to the next. If you are used to temperatures in Celsius and see it's going to be 68 degrees Fahrenheit when you're visiting New York and want to stroll down Central Park, this is the way to convert. You take 68, which is the number in Fahrenheit, and subtract 32. You're left with 36. Then you multiply this number with the factor of 0.55. This tells you that 68 degrees Fahrenheit equals roughly 20 degrees Celsius. And vice versa, if you're an American used to the Fahrenheit scale and get confused when measuring your son's temperature and the number 37 degrees Celsius flash against you at a thermometer you're unfamiliar with, don't panic. Here's the short explanation. You'll need to take the Celsius temperature of 37 and multiply that with a factor of 1.8. You get 66.6. To get the right degrees in Fahrenheit, you'll just need to add 32, and then you get the answer, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. We hope you have got some new insights into the world of temperatures.